On your Bald Buddy, you'll see different symbols that will indicate different features or different indications. The first one would be the charging symbol. So if you see a plug and a percentage sign of a number, that product is charging. If you see an exclamation point, that means that your product is trying to tell you that it's either locked for some reason or it's taken in too many voltages from some other area. You want to make sure that you look at these symbols with the exclamation point. You want to make sure that your shaver is not bogged down with a bunch of hair and shaving cream, because that's what locks up your shaver and you end up with an exclamation point. Also, your shaver can end up with an exclamation point if you're plugging your charger into the wrong voltage. It will give you that symbol to make sure you don't fry your battery or your motor. The other symbol that it's going to show is a clean symbol. The clean symbol is simply telling you that you should be cleaning or deep cleaning your shaver on a regular cadence. If you are not doing this, the Bald Buddy battery is on a timer to let you know, hey, you need to remember to clean the shaver or it will bog down or it will break or it will stop, and then you will end up with an exclamation point, which you don't want. Another symbol is the lock mode. To activate this, all you need to do is hold down the power button for 5 seconds. You will see a countdown that counts 1, 2, 3, and it will lock the Bald Buddy. If you need to unlock the Bald Buddy, you just hold the power button again for another 5 seconds, and you will see a countdown, 3, 2, 1, which will unlock the Bald Buddy, and then you can use your Bald Buddy again.